Ciao guys, buongiorno. I hope everyone had a wonderful Thanksgiving weekend with family and friends. I wanted to say thank you for all the positive and kind comments on one of our last videos, video number 50, a friendship we did not expect. And that was a video with our neighbors, Giovanni and Alessandra, and they've become our best friends. And it was a little glimpse of what our relationship is. And we had a perfect night in our village. We sat up on the terrace. And just had some casual conversation. Of course, we were having issues with my phone and recording, so the video was all jumbled. And when I was trying to put it together, I was having issues here on this end. So I forgot a little snippet in that video. So I'm gonna add it now. So it's just part 2 of that conversation. And I think you guys all enjoyed meeting Gio and Ale, so I'm sure you'll appreciate this. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Ciao.
We don't keep their audits.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so he's checking.
Yeah, he was
Keeping an
checking.
eye.
Yeah.
Oh,
Who's that people? Let me see. Ho detto che gli ha aiutati molto il papà di Giulia per il terreno, eccetera, eccetera. Dice, era quel signore che c'era quel giorno che siamo andati a fare il video. Ho detto, no, quello era il vicino, stava attento che non gli rubassimo le olive.
Well, probably
Stava lì solo per quello.
he dropped us off and then went to get you.
Yeah.
So it's just us. He was probably like, who are these
Who are
people?
yeah. Because I know they have a vegetable garden. So when we were looking, I saw that there was a vegetable garden. I'm like, oh, that's probably his. So I started to walk around,
Okay.
and he saw me. I'm like, oh, ciao. And then I turned around and came.
Li ho lasciati lì per venire a prendere, non sono trovati davanti questo, non stava niente, sono così.
Mike's like, don't shoot me.
Yeah. Yeah.
I
Hands
didn't
up.
do anything.
Cioè, non mi sparare, sto qui per prendere le olive.
Yeah. What else?
Sto proprio bene.
It's still good.
Come
Oh, it feels
temperatura.
so
Oh,
good.
yeah. It's so nice.
It
Yeah.
was like 75 today.
Yeah.
It was like,
21
yeah, like
Celsius, yeah.
Yeah.
almost late summer
Yeah.
for
Yeah.
us.
Yeah.
Allora, tipo 20-21 gradi, che per noi è come fine settembre, alla fine dell'estate, più o meno.
Beh, sì.
Yeah.
Yeah, I guess it will be like that until 10 November,
Yeah.
something like
And then
that.
it'll start coming
Yeah,
down.
and then, perché più o meno sarà così fino a 10 di novembre, poi farà freddo.
Is November typically rainy more?
Yeah,
Because when I came with Noel and Felix, I remember it rained a lot
yeah.
in November.
Rain in November and in February
Yeah.
and March.
Yeah.
In East Hardware, it's probably nothing like.
Are you over it?
Huh?
Are you over it?
Way over it.
Apparently it was a very dry summer and there was no rain until Mike and Carrie arrived, and Mike had to build a deck on the terrace that we just paid every last penny we had. And now he has to complete the terrace and build a deck to enjoy the view in the pouring rain. Another day in the life of Mike and Carrie. Yeah, because we were here into March.
Probably,
Yeah.
Probably this year will snow.
Really?
Yeah.
You can tell by the rain or the weather.
Yeah, because of that, and I asked a friend of mine that works in weather and stuff.
Yeah.
And he said me that this winter could be like a winter of 30 years ago.
Oh,
Wow.
wow.
Like,
Wow.
so it could rain. It could snow a lot,
Hmm.
probably.
And
Let's see.
you had that
Forse nevicherà.
you had that heavy rain,
Yeah.
and that hadn't happened in a long time.
Dice quando c'è stato quel pioggione, no? Che c'è stato fortissimo l'altra volta, ti ricordi che tu hai fatto il
Sì.
video con la finestra?
Sì.
Dice,
Ale,
era-
Mi stava portando via il vento, ho aperto un
No.
attimo e risucchiata.
Yeah, she was opening it.
Sucked it right
Yeah,
out.
yeah. And
Oddio!
yeah, the first time that did something like that, it was quando hanno fatto il battesimo di Valentina. L'ultima volta ha fatto proprio quel disastro, tipo quello, non sbaglio.
Eh sì, perché poi ci sono state quelle spose di
ricordo.
appena ci siamo
No,
trasferiti, poco prima, perché
sì,
poi
sì.
quell'anno ci siamo
Less
trasferiti.
so big rain, less storm like that we had it
Yeah.
7 years ago.
Yeah.
First
Wow.
time we was here.
So the weather's a little different
Yeah,
this
yeah,
year.
yeah.
At home in Florida, that's a daily,
Yeah, every
every
day.
day,
Yeah.
all summer. Grill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It does like this in August,
Yeah.
every day, from dalle 4 tutti i giorni ad agosto più o meno.
Mm.
From 4 p.m. to 5 p.m.
Yeah.
It was raining
Yeah, every day.
every day.
Yeah.
Abbiamo praticamente passato l'estate
Aspettando.
aspettando che arrivasse l'estate,
We
perché
wait. We live the summer waiting the summer coming.
Yeah.
You know, because
Yeah.
each
Where
day.
is it? Yeah.
So do you get the thunder and the lightning with it?
Yeah.
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 Anche fulmini, lampi, insomma.
sì.
So
Non ci siamo fatti mancare nulla.
We got come got we got everything.
yeah.
Here, the
Yeah.
weather.
A little bit of
Yeah.
everything.
Yeah. What do we call
Storm,
that?
everything.
Yeah.
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 They
Yeah.
call that something at home when it's everything.
Yeah, I don't know. Get the whole ball of wax.
But the weather here is very much like New England.
Yes.
Where we're from.
Yeah,
I'm
okay.
from Boston.
Okay.
Like all seasons.
Yeah, it's kind of straight across.
Ok.
Yeah.
Il tempo qui è molto simile a da dove vengono loro, Boston e New England,
Mm.
insomma, fa più freddo, chiaramente, sta più a nord.
La pioggia da voi sta anche.
Yeah.
La pioggia da voi sta anche più dura, insomma.
And
Quello
rain,
che avete mandato.
when it rains in Florida, it's hot.
Heavy.
It's heavy.
Yeah.
Humid. Oh, very.
Yeah.
and it-
Molto umido e piove tanto.
yeah. When it stops raining, it's like you
Yeah.
can't even breathe. The
Quando
humidity.
finisce di piovere, per un po' non respiri per quanto umidità c'è.
Mm,
Cioè, respiri male.
yeah. I'm gonna pause it.
We're still on video. We had technical difficulties, but we're gonna finish tomorrow.
Yes.
Yeah. So ciao, buonasera, buonanotte.
Buonanotte.
Yeah.
Ciao.
Ciao.
Good
night. Good night.
Good night.
Good job, Allie.
Till tomorrow.
Yeah. Bye.
Mañana.
Bye.
Mañana. here's Luciano. Non vedo granché.
Pack my bags and close the door. Airplanes waiting, can't ignore. Off to Italy, sunny shore. Rome by night, I'll explore. Viva l'Italia, under blue skies. Gelato mountains and pizza pies. History whispers in the streets. Summer romance in every heartbeat.
One more thing, if you are considering purchasing a home, if it's been something on your mind but you just haven't had the courage, I don't know, to pull the trigger and actually make it your reality because you're just unsure of all the uncertainties, Mike and I did a video 51, and it was giving everyone the opportunity for a free webinar with the attorney's office that we purchased our home with. So again, I will include that link, and if anything, it's free information. Why not tune in? You know, if purchasing a home is something that you've been thinking about, you know, maybe you're thinking of a investment property, or you're thinking down the road, you're just not sure what all the legal aspects are, why don't you tune in to the webinar and see, you know, what information the attorney's office can provide you. So it's free. It's December 9th at 6 p.m. Italian time, which here on the East Coast works out to be 12 o'clock p.m. And all you have to do is fill out a little questionnaire. You would click the link that I'll leave in the comments, and I'll leave it. You'll just click that link, and then that'll take you to a form on the attorney's website. Simple information, you know, name, blah, blah, blah. And then the attorney's office will send you the link for the webinar. So simple, it's free, and you know, maybe this is the boost, the step you've been waiting for because you're just unsure of all the things that go into purchasing a home. So don't let not knowing anything hold you back, because there are professionals that can walk you through the steps. And Mike and I are a perfect example that it can happen. And you know, we were in trusted hands. We felt confident. Never once did we feel like we were getting taken advantage of. We did not have to travel to Italy to purchase our home. We did not have to have an Italian bank account. So all the things that you're just unsure of, I'm sure you will find that information in this free webinar. So thanks for watching, guys. Have a fantastic day and talk to you soon. Bye. Ciao.
Airplanes waiting, can't ignore. Off to Italy, sunny shore. Rome by night, I'll explore. Viva l'Italia, under blue skies. Gelato mountains and pizza pie.